everything works. Source. And then let's see the backup camera. Yeah, backup camera works. Okay, this is a 2014, I believe, to 2018 Altima. Yeah, clip was stuck. Yeah, you have to remove this panel. So this one is sitting on the top of it. And then this one, push down. Yeah, you have to release the airbag, wire harness, but make sure you not trigger your ignition or either disconnect the negative battery. Okay, so I'm not gonna trigger it anyway, so I'm gonna disconnect it from here. And there's two more screw here. And then two more at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so you have to unplug all the wire harness right there. So every time you release the wire harness, just push the pin like this, like this, like this. Okay, I'll be back. So we're about to install Tesla screen to 2013 to 2018 Altima, the Tesla screen. They comes with all the. They comes with the canvas harness, RCA jack, GPS antenna, USB, 2 USB. And then there comes with a different harness. The aux input. And then OEM, return the OEM USB, aux input, reverse camera output, and then microphone. So first of all, we have to remove the your air vent from the original air vent, and then move to here, and then header also too. And then I believe this you know, the one at the bottom and the middle one, I think we have to trim it out because it doesn't fit with that one. Okay, so I trim the middle. So all you have to do is slide the clips at the bottom and top. So bottom, slide out, and then push it in. Then airbag indicator, you have to squeeze right here, and then push it out. And then there's no place for the airbag. So what I'm gonna do, this one, we're just gonna make it sit behind of the screen. So this one right here is for the OEM backup camera right there. So you have to plug in from the harness to the back of the radio. And then this is all the RCA jack. And then 6 and 4 pin right there is for the USB, 2 USB. And then this one is coming from the wire harness for the data control right there. And then this wire harness, they don't come with it. And then this is all the RCA jack output too. And the harness. And then this one, all you have to do is a plug and play, antenna adapter, all that. And then, like I mentioned to you earlier, the airbag, they don't have it here, so we're just gonna plug it in and then leave it back behind of the dashboard. And then I'm gonna run the GPS antenna and then microphone and USB. Okay, so before we do it, like I told you, we have to put the airbag sign at the back. So we're just gonna put it on and then leave it in the back. Now I'm gonna run the USB. Be at the bottom right here. Just put this. You can put the microphone over there. Then GPS. Just stick on here. then you have to detach this one from your below your factory radio, and then plug it in. And then this one has nowhere to mounting down, so I'm just gonna stick it in here in the back.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Is it okay if I check something?
All you have to do is plug and play. So this is a 6-pin. Plug it in here. 4-pin. Plug it in here. Yeah, it's better to put the rack here, but you know. So this is the antenna adapter. Harness. For the OEM camera. Or either you can retain the USB with this one right here. I believe they comes with the adapter, so let me just run that one. Okay, so this one comes with like a 4-pin and then a USB, so you can probably plug into here, and then it says a OEM USB. Plug it in here, and then so we're gonna unplug the one with the 4-pin, this one. This one, we're gonna discard this one, so we can just use the USB for your stock OEM USB port. What else? We have to plug the microphone. What else? This one doesn't fit because they don't come with it. And then GPS antenna. Yeah, I believe they comes with the adapter for aux too, so let me up. Yeah, they comes with the 8-pin aux plug. So you plug it in and then go to the aux input. Aux in. Aux in. Go left and right. Where else? And then this is a canvas wire harness, but some car has a canvas, but I believe this one doesn't have a canvas. That's about it. And then plug back in with the hedger. Yeah, don't forget to plug the hedger wire. Okay, let's try. Yeah, AC works. Yeah, I cannot play the music because of copyright.
$25 or more.
Yeah, everything works. Source. And then let's see the backup camera. Yeah, backup camera works. Everything works. So let me put it back in. So 2 screws they use on the top and bottom ain't gonna use because they don't have no place to put it on. So we're gonna put this one. You can just detach the whole thing at the bottom. So you can take the whole thing out. So only screw we're gonna use only 4. That's all they can mounting on. And put this one back. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.